Hello friends. What's up? How are you all? Welcome to Amazing Top 10. I come back with a new amazing video. In this video you can see top 9 smallest birds in the world. Hope this video gives you much pleasure. Let's have a nice trip and see top 9 smallest birds in the world. Let's start. Number 9. Lesser goldfinch. The lesser goldfinch is a very small songbird of the Americas. Together with its relatives the American goldfinch and Lawrence's goldfinch, it forms the American goldfinch's clade in the genus Spinus sensu stricto. Number 8. Red-cheeked cordon bleu. The red-cheeked cordon bleu or red-cheeked cordon bleu is a small passerine bird. This astrolated finch is a resident breeding bird in drier regions of tropical sub-Saharan Africa. Number 7. Verdin. The verdin is a species of pendulentid. It is the only species in the genus Urus and the only species in the family to be found in the New World. The verdin is a very small bird. Number 6. Weebill. The weebill is Australia's smallest bird at approximately 8 to 9 centimeters long. It is an olive yellow songbird with a gray bill, brown wings, pale yellow eyes and gray feet. Number 5. Costa's hummingbird. Costa's hummingbird is a species of hummingbird. This species is very small, a mature adult growing to only 3 to 3.5 in length. Number 4. Spotted pardalote. The spotted pardalote is one of the smallest of all Australian birds, at 8 to 10 centimeters in length, and one of the most colorful. It is sometimes known as the diamond bird. Number 3. Goldcrest. The goldcrest is a very small passerine bird in the kinglet family. Its colorful golden crest feathers gives rise to its English and scientific names, and possibly to it being called the king of the birds in European folklore. Number 2. Willow tit. The willow tit is a passerine bird in the tit family, Paridae. It is a widespread and common resident breeder throughout temperate and subarctic Europe and northern Asia. Number 1. Bee hummingbird. The bee hummingbird, Zunsuncito or Helena hummingbird is a species of hummingbird. As you may have guessed, these birds are comparable in size to the bumblebee. Females are a mere 6.1 centimeters long and weigh approximately 2.6 grams. Males are even smaller. They only grow to be 5.51 centimeters long, weighing about 1.95 grams.